Chevrolet did a lot right in the 1960s, especially when it came to the Camaro, Chevelle, and Corvette. That's why pedigreed Chevelles continue to be some of the hottest metal on the collector car market. This impressive first-generation coupe has all of the right ingredients to bring big value and even bigger appeal. It's an authentic Chevelle Supersport that funnels 366 dyno-proven horsepower through an original 396 and a tough 4-speed manual. It also combines vivid Victory red paint with a correct black interior. And best of all, this Chevy has benefited from a detailed rotisserie restoration that literally left no bolt unturned. Looking for a timeless Detroit superstar that mixes macho swagger with some of the best lines to ever prowl Main Street? Here's your next American Idol. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.